Hello again, it's Noob, and do you know how you sometimes go on eBay and then you see something and then you buy it and then you're like, why did I buy that? Just because it's a lock? Yeah, well, I do that all the time, and this happens to be an M&M's padlock. I don't know if it's a giveaway, a rarity, or just a cheap gewgaw that you can find for a couple of pounds at an airport. But either way, it was fun. A couple of things is that, of course, I have all the TSA keys, and this will open up all of the locks. How different is the master key to the original key? Well, I think it's pin, looks like 1, 2, 3 here in this 4-pin lock. If I align everything up like that, you can see that the only difference is this ever so slightly higher pin 3 position, which means that that is the one which is mastered. There you go, and that's why this works. It's like just a little master key system. You have to give it a little wiggle because these aren't made particularly uniformly. And to pick it, it takes just as much time as you'd expect. If I can get the tensioner in, maybe I should find another one. This one, there you go, slightly longer nosed, should hold. Grab a pick of choice. Let's try this one. Go in, and it's only a little 4-pin lock and it's mastered, so we just go in, anything that's binding, give a little pick, and we're open. There you go. I think that's like 2 pins. So I'm not entirely sure what the moral of this story is, other than every lock deserves to be picked, I guess. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, leave a like. If you have any comments, leave them down below. Do read them all and reply to them as I can. You can always subscribe to see more content like this and smash that notification bell. And otherwise, stay safe, happy picking, and I'll see you all next time.